May is Child Month, a month where our nation pays tribute to our children, the 809,000 or 29% of our population who are under 18. At the Ministry of Youth and Culture, every day for us is dedicated to our children. We have made significant strides in improving the state's response to children under our care, but this is really being overshadowed by a cultural problem that we've had and not spoken about for a number of years. I know that every well-thinking person in this country has been sickened, horrified, and deeply troubled by the alarming and frequent reports of cases of abuse, rape, and murder. Certainly, it is very horrifying, especially when it happens on a daily basis to the most precious assets of our country, our children. Each time I get a new report from the Child Development Agency or the Office of the Children's Registry, I hurt to my very core because I can understand the pain that the child feels. Mr. Speaker, data suggests that this culture has developed because of a number of practices, but none more glaring than the breakdown in the family structure. And I'm calling on all Jamaicans, particularly the church, teachers, and communities, to pay special attention to our children's need for guidance, mentorship, and protection. We have to move away from my picnic to a my picnic, Mr. Speaker.